Oat Biscuits, 75 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 75 grams porridge oats, 50 grams caster sugar, 75 grams butter, 1 tablespoon golden syrup, 2 tablespoons milk, and a standard pointer. Mix in the flour with the porridge oats. The baking powder. And the sugar. Melt the butter, milk, and golden syrup in a saucepan. When melted, add it to your dry ingredients. And mix well until all the dry ingredients are covered in your mixture. Heat your oven to 180 centigrade conventional oven, 160 fan. Spoon mixture onto a baking tray. Make them round-ish and put them in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. See you on the other side. Put them on the rack to cool. Don't worry if they're still soft, they'll get hard very shortly. Oat Biscuits, 75 grams plain flour, 1 tablespoon of